Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can use QuickChart in N8n. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to app.n8n.cloud to go to N8n and log in to your N8n account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to click on Create Workflow right here to start a new workflow. Now, from here, we're going to click on Add First Step. And on the search nodes, we're going to search for QuickChart. And click right here. After clicking on that, we're going to go through a lot of options that you can see on your screen. First, what would be our chart type? Is it a bar, a donut, a line, a pie? It's up to you. Now, for labels, we can either choose manually or from array. I'm going to choose manually for this video. And we're going to manually put in labels that we want. Let's say tutorial. Then let's set another one as instructions. After that, we can input our data right here. Let's add some simple data like numbers or even letters. And then what would be our output in the field? So put it here, and then we can add an option for our chart like background color, device pixel ratio, format, height, and width. And for our dataset options, we also have three options right here, which is background color, border color, or label. After that, we can go to settings right here, as you can see on the screen. And then we can turn on these parameters like always output data, execute once, retry on fail, or even display note in flow. And on error, we can choose what would the step do. Would it stop the workflow, continue, or continue using error output? And once we're done, simply execute step. And to see, close it right here. And as you can see, it is now ready for you to use. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!